Hello students, what we will be doing is we will be solving some of the examples of the second part, okay, so that you can solve the questions which I have given in the worksheet. So let us get started. Question number 1 I have written two crossroads. This is called crossroads. Two crossroads roads each of width 10 मीटर, मतलब दोनों का जो चौड़ाई है वो 10 मीटर है. Cut at right angles. They are cutting each other at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. What is the meaning of parallel to its sides? Means this is parallel to this side and this road is parallel to this side. We have to find the area of these roads. Also, we will have to find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. That means we will have to find out the area of this area of the park excluding the crossroads. So first of all, our job is to find out the area of the crossroads. Now let us see. I have written according to the figure. First we have calculated what is the area of the park, which is 700 meter into 300 meter. That is 2,10,000 meter square. Step 2, for the crossroads I have written for rectangle PQRS. This is the first one. Okay. Now here the length, see, the length is 300 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. So therefore 300 into 10 is 3000 meter square. For rectangle EFGH, this is another crossroad. Okay. For this the length is 700 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. Therefore the area is 7000 meter square. And we find this is a common portion. Why? क्योंकि ये इसके ऊपर आ रहा है KLMN. This is a part of this and it's a part of this. So we will have to subtract this area once. क्योंकि ये दो बार आ रहा है, क्योंकि ये कॉमन है तो इसलिए एक बार हम इसका एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो KLMN इज हाउ मच? इट इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर इंटू 10 मीटर. इट्स अ स्क्वायर शेप which is 100 meter square. So this particular portion, because it is coming twice, I will subtract it once from the total area of the roads. So 3000 meter square plus 7000 meter square minus 100 meter square will give me, these two will be giving me 10,000 meter square minus 100 meter square is 9,900 meter square. So we got the area of the crossroads in meter square. We have to convert it into hectares. So 9,900 divided by 10,000. I hope you remember the previous one which I explained. This much HA. HA is the short form of hectares, which is 0. If I cancel these two with these two, I get 99 by 100, which is 0.99 hectare. Finally, step number 3, we have to find out the area of the park excluding the crossroads. Okay, so this is how much? 2,10,000 meter square minus this is the area of the crossroads. Subtracting the two, we are getting how much? 2,100 meter square. We have to find the area in hectares, again divided by 10,000. This will cancel with these two. So I get 2001 upon 100. 100 means two zeros are there, so the decimal will be before two digits. So that is why you are getting 20.01 hectare. Let us see question number 2. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe. This is the circular pipe. What Pragya did? She wrapped a cord, okay, around this, and after that it's given of radius 4 centimeters. So how much is the radius? It's given that the radius is 4 centimeter. Clear? And cut off the length, और जो बाकी extra था उसको उसने काट दिया. And then again she wrapped it around the square box of side 4 centimeter. So its side is also how much? 4 centimeter. We will have to find out, did she have any cord left? Okay, she wrapped this, then again she took out the cord and then she wrapped it. So कुछ extra cord बाकी रहा? That is the question. So let us see. I have written according to the question. Step 1, we know given the radius of the circular pipe is 4 centimeter. So because wrapped means चारों तरफ मतलब circumference. So the circumference of the circular pipe is 2 pi r. Formula 2 into 3.14 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So 3.14 into 8 is 25.5 2 centimeter. Now let us see step number 2. Now she took out that cord and then she again wrapped it around the square box, where the side of the square box is given as 4 centimeter. So the perimeter, यहाँ भी चारों तरफ है, so we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of the square box is 4 into side, which is 4 into 4 centimeter, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Now we find ये बाकी था 25.12 को उसने चारों तरफ लगाया है और इसका पेरीमीटर क्या है 16 सेंटीमीटर. सो नेचुरली वी फाइंड दैट एक्स्ट्रा तो ज़रूर बाकी रहा. वाई? बिकॉज 25.12 सेंटीमीटर इज ग्रेटर देन 16 सेंटीमीटर. So that means how much was the extra cord? Of course we will have to subtract. We got it as 9.12 centimeter. Now let us see question number 3. This is quite an interesting one. There is a nursery school playground which is 160 meter long, 160 meter long, okay, 160 meter long and 80 meter wide. In its 80 into 80 meter, this is 80 meter into 80 meter is kept for swings. झूले के लिए ये पार्ट रखा है. And in the remaining portion, और बाकी जो remaining portion है, there are 1.5 meter wide path parallel to its width, parallel to it and parallel to its remaining length. ठीक है, तो ये जो है इसके parallel है और ये जो है इसके parallel है. The remaining area is covered by grass. Find the area covered by grass. तो बाकी जो remaining area है, ये हो गया swings का, झूले का, ये हो गया path, ठीक है, और तो बाकी जो area है उसमें हमने क्या किया है ग्रास डाल दिया है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया कवर्ड बाय द ग्रास. वेरी सिंपल. फर्स्ट वी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड. एरिया ऑफ दिस प्लेग्राउंड विच इज 160 into 80, which is 1 2, that is 12,800 meter square. Area left for swings, this is the area left for swings, that is 80 meter into 80 meter, which is equal to 6,400 meter square. ये हो गया, ये हो गया, अब बाकी रहा ये. क्लियर? नाउ एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन विल बी हाउ मच? 12,800 meter square minus 6,400 meter square. Okay, so this much is 6,400 meter square. Now for the crossroads, what we will do? We will find out the area of the crossroads. तो इसके लिए it will be 80 meter into 1.5 meter. Okay, that's why I've written vertical. Vertical matlab सीधा. This is, that is 120 meter square. And for this one here also this is 80 meter, okay, into 1.5, which is 120 meter square. And this is the common portion. ये दो बार आ रहा है तो इसको हमें subtract करना है. 1.5 into 1.5, which is 2.25 meter square. So what is the area of the crossroads? 120 meter square plus 120 meter square minus this. So we got 240 minus 2.25, 240.00 minus 2.25, and finally we will get how much? 237.75, this much meter square. So we got the area of this. Clear? So area of the portion to be planted by grass, ये पूरा हमने निकाला था 6,400. एरिया ऑफ द क्रॉस रोड्स हमें मिला 237.75. तो इसका मतलब ये क्या हुआ, बाकी क्या हुआ? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. फाइनली वी सब्ट्रैक्टेड and we got it as 6162.25 meter square. And finally let's come to the last question. In the following figure, find the area of shaded portion. There are two figures. Now let us see this one. The first one, area of A, B, C, D. I have to calculate what is the area of this. What we will do? We will find this area, we will find this area, this area. Clear? So total area is this. उसमें से इन दोनों को, इन ये जो दोनों एरिया है इनको ऐड करके उसको टोटल में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. See, area of ABCD is equal to 18 into 10, which is 180 centimeter square. Area of triangle AFE, clear, is equal to half. We know it is half into base into height. So this is the base, this is the height. You can take any one as the base or height. I have taken this as the base, this as the height. So it's half into 10 into 6, which is 30 centimeter square. Area of triangle CBE. Now for this one, CBE, clear? I have taken half, this as the base and this as the height. So which is 40 centimeter square. So total minus the sum of these two. 180 centimeter square minus the sum of these two. So 180 minus 70, we will be getting 110 centimeter square. This one is also simple. PQRS, we will find this complete area. PQRS is 20 into 10 plus 10 matlab this is also 20. So 20 into 20, which is equal to 400 centimeter square. For this one, PQT, clear? So this is 20, this part is 20 centimeter. If this is 20, ये 10 है, इसका मतलब ये क्या हुआ 10 centimeter. So for PQT, it is half into 20 into 10, which is 100 centimeter. For QRU, इसके लिए it is half into 10 into 20. And for TSU, it is half into 10 into 10. We got this. We have got area of all the three triangles. Total में से ये तीनों का sum हमें subtract करना है. So 400 minus 50 in bracket 50, 100, 100, 250. 400 minus 250 is 150. So the final answer is 150 centimeter square. Thank you.